How to open a PayPal account. First, head to paypal.com. Once here, on the top right, click on Sign Up. Next, we can choose if we want to have a personal account or a business account. For dropshipping, you can use both. In this example, let's go with the business account. Once you click on it, click on Next. Now the first piece of information that PayPal wants is our email address. Once you fill that in, click on Continue. Now we want to choose a password for our PayPal account. Make sure to use a strong password that nobody will be able to guess. Our password should have at least 8 characters with one number or symbol, just as PayPal is suggesting. Once you're done filling in your password, click on Continue, and here PayPal wants information about our business, starting with the business contact, first and last name. If you didn't incorporate your business in an LLC, simply enter your first and last name. Here, simply enter your phone number. Then we have the business address. If you don't have a physical business address, simply enter your home address. Enter your city, state, and zip code. Then click to agree to PayPal's e-communication delivery policy. Then go ahead and click on Agree and Create Account. Now PayPal is asking us to describe our business. Click on the arrow and choose Individual. Under Product, Service, or Keywords, type in the type of products that you will be selling on your store. If you don't have anything specific, just use Variety Stores. Under What are your monthly sales, write down what your monthly sales are, and if you haven't started selling yet, go with a number that's not too low and not too high. For example, anywhere between $5,000 to $25,000. Next, you can write down your website address if you have one, and it's only optional, so you don't have to. Then click on Continue. Now, if you're in the United States, PayPal is going to ask you for the last 4 digits of your social security number. If you are not located in the United States, you will not see this option. Next, we have the date of birth. Then we have the home address, which can be the same as the business address that we entered earlier. Once we're done filling everything in, go ahead and click on Submit. And now our PayPal account is ready. That is all that's required and how simple it is to create a PayPal account.